हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू चार्ट एनालिसिस। पहले हम प्रीवियस चार्ट्स को एनालिसिस करेंगे। पहले मैंने सेलेक्ट किया है बंधन बैंक। बंधन बैंक का जो मैंने लेवल दिया था 302.5, ये कल ओपन हुई है 308.45। वहाँ से लगभग 4% फॉल हुई है। इस ट्रेड को हम कैसे एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं, पहले इसको डिस्कस करेंगे। इसको 302.5 इसके ऊपर हमको शॉर्ट करना है। जो ओपन हुई है 308.45, यहाँ पे शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन कीप स्टॉप लॉस एट 0.75% या 0.8% at 311. When it broke the level 302.5, it stayed for one day as we discussed. So you can exit this trade at 296. You can wait up to close of the day. Next, we will discuss yesterday's chart, Cipla. सिप्ला का जो मैंने लेवल दिया है 925। आज मॉर्निंग ओपन हुई है 918 एंड इट क्रॉस 925. It went up to 928.55. Then it got corrected. ये लगभग 3% के ऊपर फॉल हुई है। सो हाउ वी कैन एग्जीक्यूट दिस ट्रेड, लेट अस सी। पहले हम बोलिंजर बैंड्स को अप्लाई करेंगे। ओके, दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग कैंडल ऑफ द डे। इट ओपनड एट 918। हमारा लेवल है 925। when it opened at 918, यहाँ पे हम 918 पे बाई करेंगे। It went up to 928. Okay. Then in this candle, it moved from lower band to upper band. Lower band is oversold, upper band is overbought. In this one candle itself, it went from oversold to overbought. Second candle should be sustained above this moving average, but second candle immediately it came down to below the moving average. So we have to keep stop loss below 0.7% of the this 918. Then we have to exit at second candle as it came down below the moving average. Then you take small loss. Then wait for full day. It got corrected more than 3%. So you can buy again at 889. Yeah, closing of the price 888. You can buy at this price. Tomorrow it should not cross low of this day. You keep stop loss 0.5% below the 888. Yeah, 886. If it crosses 0.5% from 886, then you have to exit. Then it is sure that our trade is not working. To explain this, I will explain with previous charts of other stocks in previous time. First, I will select TCS. TCS on date September 1. Today, Cipla stock also behaved same like this. TCS, it moved upside on 31st August, then candle opened at over part position, then it got corrected nearly 3%. It went up to 3700 from 3800 and it fell 100%. Sorry, 100 rupees. Then next day it didn't cross the low of the previous day. It took rally and went up to 3857. It increased up to 4%. Then we take the example of other stock in TPC. October 1st. In this, on 29 September, it went up, and October 1st, it went from same lower band to upper band, over sold to over bought position. Then it got rejected here, then went down, it got corrected. Next day, it got rallied. It went up by 6%. So, looking at the similarities, so we may think of Cipla still up on tomorrow if it is not crossing low of the today. Today we are taking another chart, Dr. Reddy. डॉक्टर रेड्डी लैब्स चार्ट को हम आज एनालिसिस करेंगे। इस चार्ट का हम 10 मिनट कैंडल टाइम फ्रेम में स्टडी करेंगे। आज ये स्टॉक डाउनसाइड मूवमेंट किया है इन बोलिंजर बैंड्स। इट मूव्ड properly in downside. It got rejected at lower band. It retraced back and again traveled through lower band and below the moving average. So it may go, it may extend downside momentum in next 2 days. इसका जो लेवल है 4582 देखेंगे। ये दोनों स्टॉक आगे सिप्ला स्टॉक कल कैसे बिहेव करेगी या डॉक्टर रेड्डी आगे 2 दिन में कैसे बिहेव करेगी, हम इसको देखेंगे। दैट्स ऑल दोस्तों, थैंक यू। प्लीज सब्सक्राइब फॉर मोर अपडेट्स।